Hey everybody, welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet. Today we're going to take a look at 3 short bobs by Belle Tress that could easily be used as sister styles or a little bit of a grow out. Styles today were either sent to me for a previous review by Wig Studio One, or I have purchased them with my own funds. You can find them at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. Click on that link, go out to the site, and look at all of the color options that are available on these styles. Belle Tress is an automatic 30% off at checkout with Wig Studio One, so don't forget that. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and please join us on the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So let's get started with today's feature. I am wearing the Belle Tress Jasmine Jazz. This is a brand new style release for 2023. It's in the color Honey with Chai Latte. And I love it when Belle Tress comes out with shorter styles. Now this is a short to mid-length, full-bodied, wavy bob. It has a blunt cut, a slight A-line appearance. One thing I love about this is the cap features on this one. It has an extended lace front and a center monofilament part. And that parting space is very wide at the mouth of that monofilament. It gives you lots of different ways to part this style. And don't forget that all of these styles are also heat friendly, so you can also tweak them, customize them with your heat tools. So one feature that stands out about this, just looking at the overall style story here, is that all the fullness is at the bottom. So it's kind of smooth and flat on top, and then it blossoms into the curl. So it has a bit of a triangular structure to it. So now let's talk about the next one, which we want to look at is Lemonade. This is the Belle Tress Lemonade style in Champagne with Apple Pie. Again, a very nice kind of a blunt cut wavy bob. But you're going to notice some differences here. First of all, the curl pattern or the wave pattern on Lemonade is loose, okay? It's just a loose wave. In fact, it's nearly straight, just a whisper of wave, and then you've got some under curl to create a very dramatic ledge and angle effect on Lemonade. Much more dramatic in its styling compared to the Jasmine Jazz. This has been highly texturized and shattered, and the density is a little bit lighter compared to the Jasmine Jazz, although they weigh about the same. Now these feature very little permatease. There's very little permatease in Jasmine Jazz, there's very little permatease in Lemonade. I just popped City Roast on this mannequin here. This is Belle Tress's City Roast in Cream Soda Blonde. Very, very similar, as you can tell, short, wavy bob, but it has something a little bit different. So it is more wedged in the back. So it's got this nice wedge cut and then some sprinkled on wave. It's a very dramatic look, and again, we'll be looking at these side by side. More of a dramatic A-line, and in the front, it's about the same length as the other two. So from the front, you're going to notice that these look very similar, but from the side and back, you're going to see some differences. City Roast has a left monofilament side part and lace front. It's highly shattered and texturized, just like Lemonade. So you're going to see those tapered ends where this is more of a heavier weight line on the ends because it hasn't been as texturized. So let's go ahead and get started with our side-by-sides. Hopefully you can pick up on the differences and similarities, but I do believe these would be great sister styles. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here on Taz's Wig Closet.